a what? Can you say? Can you say kitty cat? Yeah, you want me to show Daddy what you're pointing at that you want so badly? We are. I'll show him to Daddy. Kitty cat. Oh. Kitty cat. Kitty cat. It says meow. Uh-oh. Yeah, we may need to get another cat. You want a cat? You didn't get to play with Max and Sam enough, did you? Wow. You got to get older so you can help with it. You have to be able to scoop the litter box every day. Yep. And sweep the floor and get all the cat hair off of the floor. Yep. All right. Let's go see what else we can find.